Welcome back, mathematicians, and let's get ready to go over our problem. I want to remind you to always keep your goal in mind as you are solving your problem. Whether it is to study the problem, organize the fact, line up your plan, verify your action with plan, examine your results, always have a goal in mind as you're working. Also remember to always turn and talk to someone. You can always pause the video whenever you need to turn and talk. So let's continue. So mathematicians, I want to remind you that mathematicians can use the solve method to solve word problems by showing and explaining their thinking. Let's go over our solve steps. The first step is to study the problem. We're going to ask ourselves, what is this problem asking us to find? Then we're going to organize the facts. We're going to circle every important fact. Then we're going to line up a plan. We're going to choose two different strategies that we're going to use to show our thinking. We're going to use those two strategies to verify our action with plan. And then we're going to examine our results by asking ourselves, does our answer make sense? So let's continue. Read with me. Alan and Mayo love to play with their toy cars. Alan has 7 fewer cars than Mayo. Mayo has 9 red cars and 4 green cars. How many cars does Alan have? So what's our first step? Our first step is to study the problem. So let's read it again, and we're going to try to find out what is this problem asking us to find. Alan and Maya love to play with their toy cars. Alan has 7 fewer cars than Maya. Maya has 9 red cars and 4 green cars. How many cars does Alan have? So let's study the problem. Let me ask you, what is this problem asking me to find? You can pause the video if you would like and turn and talk to someone at home. So this problem is asking us to find, how many cars does Alan have? Did you see, mathematicians, how I underlined the question? Now let's move on to our next step. Our next step says to organize the facts. We did this one. So we're moving here. We're going to organize the facts and circle every important fact. So let's read the problem again. Alan and Maya love to play with their toy cars. Alan has 7 fewer cars than Maya. Maya has 9 red cars and 4 green cars. How many cars does Alan have? So let's organize our facts. What information, important information, is this problem giving me? So let's see. Alan and Maya love to play with their toy cars. Is that important? No, I don't think so. So you know what? I'm going to cross this information out because I don't think it's important to solve the in order to solve the problem. So let's see. Let's continue. Alan has 7 fewer cars than Maya. Do you think that's important? Is that a helpful information that we need to solve the problem? Yes, it is. So I am going to circle it. Alan has 7 fewer cars than Maya. Then it says that Maya has 9 red cars and 4 green cars. Is that an important information? I believe it is as well, so I am going to circle it. So remember, we're going to circle all important facts. So did you see, mathematicians, how we study the problem by underlining the question and making sure we understand what the problem is asking us? Then we organize the facts by circling all important facts. Now we need to line up a plan. And it says that we need to choose 2 different strategies to show our thinking. So I was thinking of using my manipulatives for one and then using a number sentence for the next one. So we're going to then verify our action with plan. So let me use my manipulative. So we have Alan, right? And we also have Miles. So I'm going to label my work, Alan and Miles. And then it says that Alan has 7 fewer cars than Miles. So, but we don't know how many he has. But then we know that Miles has 9 red cars and 4 green cars. So maybe we can start from there. So he has 9 red cars. So count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So those are the 9 red cars that Miles has. And then it says that he has 4 green cars. So I need 4 green ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let me ask you, how many cars does Miles have? He has what? We can quickly make a 10. Miles has 13 cars. So then it says that Alan has 7 fewer cars. So we can take away 7 because it says 7 fewer. So that means he's going to have what? More or less? He's going to have less. So can we take away 7? Help me take away 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what does that tell us? That tells us that what? That Alan has how many cars? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cars. Let's verify our plan with another action to see if our answer makes sense. See if we're going to get the same answer. So let's see. So we already know that Miles has 13 cars, right? And we also know that Alan has 7 fewer cars. And fewer, we said that he was going to have less. So we're going to take away. And how many are we taking away? We're taking away 7. So 13 minus 7. We did it already. We took away 7 from here. It gave us what? It gave us 6. So we examine our results. Let's see, does our answer make sense? So Miles has 9 red cars and 4 green cars. And we know that Alan has 7 fewer cars, so we took away 7. And then it left us with 6 cars. So 13 minus 7 gives us 6. So we're pretty sure that Alan has what? 6 cars. Mathematicians, did you see how I solved the problem? By following the solve method steps. So we what? We study the problem by underlining the questions. We organize the facts, circling all important facts. We line up a plan, choosing 2 different strategies to show our thinking. Then we verify our plan with action. I use manipulatives for one, and then I use a number sentence for another one. And then I examine my results, asking, does my answer make sense? And yes, it does. Because Miles has 13 cars and Alan has 7 fewer. 13 minus 7 equals 6. So we for sure know that Alan has 6 cars. Next time you have to solve a problem, just follow these steps. Till next time, good luck and take care.